One is a confusion that some migrant understand that when they will complete vocational course or any course in Portugal, they will be eligible for resident card, and when then they will apply for their resident card to the AIMA. So this is a confusion because they are following Canadian immigration system and Australian immigration system. Some migrants think that in Canadian immigration also after completion of education then you can apply for resident work permit or work permit. In case of Portugal, situation is very different. During your course, you can tell AIMA and you can file your application that I am studying. You know that there is a time of filing application and resident card interview, mean biometric interview. Some people are taking 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, even 1 year, and some people waited for 2 years. Therefore, that time will be counted in your education. So it never mean when you will complete course and then you will file your application. By that time your much time will be consumed because they will not entertain your biometric on the spot. They will take little time. They may take 3 months. Of course, normal time for other migrants who are not students, they took 1 year, 2 year. Because you are student, they will prefer you, and hopefully they will call you for biometric within 6 months. But still, I will say they will consume time 6 months to 1 year. Therefore, during your education, it's your obligation, it's your responsibility to register your case in AIMA. AIMA must have your all details during your study so that they can call you for biometric, and they can give resident card on the spot even during study as well. Lot of students who did not complete their education and they possess resident card, and they did not possess resident card for themselves, they also gave resident card to the families, mean parents. And one is very good way to get the family appointment through student visa, mean that you have student, you got resident card, and AIMA is not entertaining your parents. You are having very good chance to win this case in the court, because in the court you will just tell I am student and I am not able to study without my parents, because my parents is taking care of me, and they are my caretaker, and without them I need to leave this country, otherwise I will not be able to continue my education. These European countries are developed countries, they give much weightage to the education. So when you are studying, they will prefer you and they want your education, and for that they will instantly allow your parents to stay, and they will give resident card to your parents, even to your brothers and sisters. So therefore, you must be very attentive, you must be very alert during your study. You will delay the time, you will delay your own resident card, you will delay your resident card of the parents as well, because your parents are depending upon you, because they think that students are there. We will allow, the Portugal's law is that if the student is studying, their parents are allowed to stay with him, to support him, to sponsor him, and therefore even those parents don't need to work, don't need to pay taxes, because they are actually caretaker of the son. They are working, that's something else, but there is no requirement of AIMA that they will pay taxes, six legal taxes, no. So therefore it's a very good opportunity for you. Don't wait for completion of the course, and vocational course, as I already told you, is better. You will pay less fee and you will be eligible for D7, and that's just you get resident card and apply resident card for your family as well. Thank you very much.